Hello everyone! Today is December 18th. Yesterday there was IKEA delivery and I changed a little bit of the layout so I can work much faster and easier. This is lab area. So I kind of use that table and then this table together. I've always wanted to have something over here so I can lay all the fresh cut soaps in there. And then this area is also for soap because I have all the ingredient and the tools that I need. So this whole area is dedicated for soap, making soap. And I have sewing area over here. I have table and then sewing machine. And this area is for the office, binder, and you know, those stuff. This is ironing area. And I wanted to have some kind of rack over there for printer and shipping materials. And I'm really happy how it turned out. This is printer for everything, label printer. And then this scale is from Rollo. I love how Rollo is eco-friendly company. This paper is eco-friendly, some kind of paper. I'll write it down what it is. And I always use cane sugar paper. This is not from tree, this is from cane sugar plant. Less water to grow and it's more eco-friendly. And I like the color of it. It's ivory-ish color. So I have this little shipping and printing area that I've always wanted. And then all the shipping boxes and product packaging boxes. I have some more over there. I got it from Uline. So I transfer all the soaps that was here to that rack. I transferred all the boxes and shipping stuff. Originally was here and to here. This main area of the rack looks really empty right now. But then it's gonna fill up pretty soon because I have so many colors and variation of sewing products. So I needed some more space. This container I got from Target. It fits perfectly here, like this. I love how it's fitting like this. So I can fit 8 a little container for the scrunchie variation or pouches variation. So I'm really excited to see all the empty area over there. It was like so crowded before, but then because of this rack and because of this rack, I have some more space over there so I can produce new product. And then look at this. These two are same size, but this is landscape style and this is portrait style. This is simple classic tote bag. I'm just gonna hang it over there, but then I want to have some kind of like rack, but then I don't see any space to do it for now, so I'm just gonna do it like that. And of course, as a soaper, you need a lot of oils, especially coconut oil that I use and olive oil. I have some more here, more there. Let's drink some water. This is actually hot water. Sometimes you forget to drink water, right? So what I do is in the morning, just fill up the water in my favorite tumbler and then just drink it all. So what is my plan today? It's 11:33 right now. So my plan is to make so many pouches and so many scrunches. It's been a couple of months since I opened my online shop. For the online shop, the most important thing is that people doesn't know that you're existing. So you have to do a lot of marketing or social media. I knew that I had to do that. It's really hard to make the contents and do everything else at the same time all together, you're just not expert on marketing and those stuff, right? So I think I need to work on that more. I am learning and trying really hard, but then I want to experience a little bit more on every side of the business. So I was researching, like binge watching so many other small business owner who's running online business in United States. I just wanted to find out what they post on social media and YouTube. I think I learned a lot from them. Of course, you need to read a book and like legit study about online business and everything, but I wanted to get inspired by other people because I am the type of person I need to get inspired or motivated if I want to do something. Otherwise, my body doesn't move. So result of that, I kind of got excited about pop-up shop, farmers market, or you can call it farmers market plus crafters market or makers market. I was attending a lot of fairs and I love that. I love the idea of like people just pop up here and there, buy some new products that you cannot really buy from Target or Costco or somewhere else. I never knew that I wanted to be vendor in that kind of fair or market, I created this channel because I wanted to share my journey, create business A to Z process and ups and downs as a Korean American who can speak in Korean better than English, but I'm more culturally Americanized kind of person. I'm kind of like in the middle. So I'm gonna share all of my business side of day-to-day life in here. Only speaking in English. I was talking about the pop-up, right? So I applied 4 pop-ups that's coming up in 2025. Next year is just around the corner, just 2 to 3 weeks away. Since I applied some of the markets, even though I'm not accepted yet, but then I know I need to prepare beforehand. I want to avoid situation that I got accepted, but I don't have any products. As you see that rack, I have a lot of soaps already, but then there's 2 kind of soaps that I make. One is for household soap, so you can do everything with this soap. You can wash dish or wash your hand, or you can do small hand laundry, or you can do any general cleaning with that soap. It's kind of like all-in-one household soap. So maybe I can call it kitchen soap. Should I do that? Kitchen soap, or right now I named it only soap. I named it like that because you literally need just one soap for anything. So I have the other category that I am making is body care soap. Body and face and hand soap. So I have 2 categories. One is kitchen and one is for body and face. I think I don't have to make more of the kitchen soap, but I think I need to make some more of the body soap category. I currently have Castile soap, which is 100% olive oil, organic olive oil soap, which is really precious and special soap. That's really high-end. This soap is good for sensitive or any type of skin. It's really special soap, and it's really hard to find real Castile soap, true Castile soap, because you need to make this Castile soap with 100% olive oil, and then you need to cure it at least more than 6 months. So I am really proud of myself that I made real Castile soap, and I can sell real Castile soap to the people who really needs it, and it's really gentle and very cleansing and natural. And I recently made lemon soap. I've always loved lemon scent because like it changes your mood. There's a lot of days that like you feel down and tired and everything. Soap seems not really important, but you use it every day, so it plays a role in your life. I love to empower zero waste lifestyle, sustainability. If you use bar type of soap and it's all natural, and then the scent is from essential oil, which is natural. And if it's gonna uplift your mood, then it's doing something really good in your life, right? Do you hear the sound? Oh. I think somebody's cutting the grass right now. So it's a bit noisy to me, but I don't know about you. So I think soap is enough, but then I need a lot more of sewing products. I use 100% cotton fabric. Some of them are Oiko-Tex, so it's really eco-friendly. And for the quilting, like you have to use bedding inside, so it could be like fluffy like that. Many of the other handmade or any quilted pouches has polyester bedding inside, but then I didn't want to use the polyester type of anything. So I was researching if there is any like 100% natural unbleached cotton bedding for quilting and everything. So I found it. This bedding is a little bit more expensive and hard to make the pouches and everything with, but then we have to think about end of life for each of the products. What a world that we're living in right now. Global warming and plastic everywhere, plastic, microplastic in the air. We have to be conscious about, we need to be more mindful about what kind of products that we're consuming. We have to be mindful about what this product is made out of, you know? Anyway. So I want to fill up all the shelves so I can prepare enough to pop up here and there. I told you I applied for. One is in our neighborhood in Rancho Cucamonga. I lived in here for 10 years and then I moved to Chino Hills and I was living in there for 6 years. And then I came back here. It's been 1 year now. And I can say I am pretty used to this area. So one that I applied for in Rancho Cucamonga, I really want to become a vendor for that market consistently. I want to do it at least a couple of years. One other market I applied was Lunar New Year Festival. It's like really big festival. Their festival is for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, on January 18th and 19th, I think. They responded me back, so I need to write a application and everything. It was like $150 or something. Like, I have to take a look at it. I am wondering if my products are related to Lunar New Year Festival. And then 2 more that I applied, the female makers market. I love them. I love their display and I love their theme, and it's not just the ordinary market like farmers market or crafters market. It's completely curated market. So it's like a whole mall is moving around together, it feels like. And then their color theme is tan, cream, white, those kind of muted like color-ish. So that is my vibe these days. And for my company, they pop up Little Village and in San Diego, Little Italy, some few places in California. If you pop up in other city, from my knowledge, you need to have some kind of license there. So I have business license in Rancho Cucamonga, but if I want to pop up in Newport Beach, I was researching and I found out that I need some kind of event permit and then of course insurance. Even though I want to become vendor in Rancho Cucamonga, you need to have business license, and on top of it you need to have insurance, event insurance. So I applied the female makers market for Valentine's pop-up, Mother's Day's pop-up. So their application is open for 2025 market. And then they fill up pretty fast. Last Saturday, there were market opening, Christmas market, holiday market, I think. So when I went there, the vibe of it and then the decoration and everything was so beautiful and I loved it. That was my vibe. But then it was kind of small. It was kind of small market. The market vendor is usually 10 by 10 canopy size area for each of the vendor. But then it was 6 by 4 table and then just the umbrella on top of. There was a lot of vendors there, but then they were kind of like crammed together. If you want to become a vendor, then maybe you have to apply it really fast. I applied it, but then I didn't receive anything from them yet. Actually, I don't have any experience as a vendor. Maybe they're looking for a vendor who has a lot of experience in like pop-up or market. You have to allow 2 weeks or a couple days to for them to review my website and my social media. If you have YouTube, then YouTube. They check everything out and then they decide. And then when I applied, there was a jewelry, permanent jewelry or something. A vendor was all filled up, so you can't apply it anymore. So I'm gonna make a lot of stuff today and then I'm gonna film for you guys. When I make the sewing products, I love the sewing part, but I don't really like the cutting part. But I need to do a lot of cutting part today. So let's cut some fabric and elastic. I cut my tip of the finger skin off while I was cutting the fabrics. So I was bleeding so much and it was like really deep cut. I was too scary if I had to go to the hospital. But thankfully I didn't have to go, you know, blood stopped and I disinfect the area, cut area. And I think it's gonna be okay, but I couldn't do any sewing or cutting or anything today. I think I need some time to heal this cut, maybe 1 week, because this is pretty deep cut. I was gonna do a lot of cutting and sewing today and nothing go by the plan, you know. So my plan is to edit YouTube videos. I have to make post about Christmas sale. It's gonna start 20th on Friday. So it's gonna be, everything is gonna be 30% off. So starting December 20th through Christmas Day. Guys, everyone, attention. If you're a maker, if you're a crafter, please be careful. It's busy season of the year. Probably will make more stuff than other seasons. And if you have small business, then you have to craft more than usual, right? So you really need to be careful.